Say hey or hello to interact with me.
Hello.
Welcome to the Team Robotics. Good to see you, Nivika. Do you need information about meeting rooms?
Yes.
Which room are you interested in? Room 1, Room 2, or Room 3?
Room 2.
Room 2 is booked all day. Alright, let me know if you need any other assistance.
No.
Have a great day at work. Say thank you to leave.
Thank you.
Thanks for chatting. I am capturing this moment in a photo for future memory. So, please focus on the camera for a few seconds. Face capturing is completed successfully. Thanks for chatting.